Alright guys, so today we got a new axle for the E36.
Where is it?
We're gonna tighten the e-brake. We're gonna strip the interior. Will's heated seat just started working randomly. And this car is a piece of shit.
And we're also working on my car.
Will's gonna start building an exhaust for the 240, finally.
Yeah, and I'm gonna adjust my e-brake. And I'm gonna bleed my brakes. Thumbs up.
So we just made it back to Will's, and there's a car in the way, so we're just gonna wait here until he moves it for us. Ooh! I'm still here.
Did I just hit your car?
Just slightly.
Dude, the backup camera lagged.
Oh, we're pulling the diff out. I'll try to. The axle's popped out. I'm gonna pop out the drive shaft bolts real quick. Sadly, that axle doesn't come out.
Well, they already saw that.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Alright guys, so we're currently welding the diff. Let's get a little peeksy in there. Peeksy?
I'm gonna get made fun of on YouTube for my welds.
Super sick welds.
I'm not a welder.
You know what?
Okay? I never claimed to be.
It's better than this that just broke off, so my camera's almost dead.
It's all good.
Alright, so this video is probably just gonna be like a compilation of random clips that I have. Alright guys, we got E36, camera bag. Time to roll up to a family event in the drift car, bro. Just hope the angle's good. Kind of checking in here. Oh, we're almost out of gas. We got plenty. Really loose. Like, what's this all about? Feels fine in drift, but car's understeering. Just gonna act like I almost didn't just crash. We're gonna limp down this dirt road and hope we don't totally die. Oh, that was a good one. Luckily we got some sand down. Hopefully you guys aren't just like staring at my roof. I don't think you are, but I also forgot to turn on motion stabilization, all the cool like Hero 10 features I haven't really messed with yet, so this is probably not gonna be great, but I wish I could see more around this corner because I could just like clutch kick out of the corner, but. Car just went straight. I don't trust myself with guardrails yet. God, these tires, nothing, do nothing. My fronts, like in this shit, nothing. I just straight understeer. Apparently, where'd your new one go?
My new one is on the trunk.
So William got a super sick long throw shifter for his car.
Long throw. Remember that the camera's on your head.
I think you can see that.
Anyways.
So that's the short throw shifter. Will decided.
What did I decide?
To snap all the bolts.
I decided that actually. I was like, yeah, I'm just
As
gonna
you can
snap
see,
them all.
snapped.
No,
snapped,
this one's not
snapped. Okay. Anyways, we have. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to
Aids.
see this or not. But
Partially.
up in there, there's a couple bolts.
Just two.
2 bolts that we can't get out because they won't break free. I was gonna suggest that, but I didn't know if it would work.
That's what we're gonna try. Works really well.
Give her a go.
Give her a Deutschland. Will do.
I'm gonna warm up.
Nah, you're not allowed to. Oh. Did it just come off?
Well, at least it's under the car.
Yeah.
This is like we're making absolutely no progress. So
And Nick can't do anything.
I
don't even know why he showed up.
I'm gonna go home now.
I'm gonna leave now.
All right, no, I'm just gonna put the camera down until something interesting happens. Bye. Got one of the bolts
Don't look at how we
very
got it.
sketchily loose, but we are making progress. So I figured I'd throw my head mount on because this is why I own this camera. It's still not out yet.
Yeah, all the other ones took a surprising amount of time to get out too. So I'm not surprised. Did you just drop it? Oh,
Ta-da!
Alright, time to do some sketchy shit on the other side.
All right, so we're making our way towards the second bolt.
Dude, showing them how sketchy we're being.
Snapped.
Dude, this car's on Racelands. Ew.
Am I recording?
Yeah. Rock traction. I mustn't know where you're going.
Is it bad to do this?
I don't know. I don't know. Like, kind of just sits there and does nothing. It's like, which I just can't.
Oh, I cut that guy off getting on the highway. He was so mad. That Golf R. It was
really?
Yeah,
Hey, your car is kind of stiff.
slightly.
Can you loosen it?
I didn't have a blinker and he wouldn't move over, so I just fucking cut him off. And he was laying on, literally just sitting there behind me. I'm like, what are you gonna do? And then he just got off the exit. I'm like, what?
We gonna do about it? Your car shimmied.
I wonder if this Oppa is gonna give us a hard time. His brake lights are on. Here he comes.
Turned into a building.
Why are we getting pulled over? What the fuck did I do? My headlights are on, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so.
They weren't.
Oh, they weren't?
No.
Really?
No. They are now.
Fuck. Look at that bike cool. He's mobbing, dude. What the fuck? How fast are you going?
25.
Holy fuck! Dude, that thing cooks. You should just run the red light. About to get pulled over. Wonder if I can get a video of it happening.
Dude, just fucking get it over with. Like,
we're gonna fucking.
He decided to let me go.
Oh wow. Little does he know.
Yeah, little does he know.
I wonder if they left us a patch or not. Probably not. Oh my god, it's all ice. Like actually all ice. What the fuck?
And then it just grips up randomly.
Oh wait, they did leave snow. I didn't even notice that. Soy boys. It really grips up when it grips up.
Yeah. It's either
you
like
do just like back and forth, just like if you want.
it's so like on and off grip.
You can do a little back and forth. It's still recording, by the way. We did a spin. Officer, we just got stuck. I don't know what happened.
Literally no throttle. I'm at like an eighth of a throttle.
We are zooming. Handbrake. Back and forth. Transition. What was that? What are you doing?
Get out, you're gonna drive. Like there's literally nothing. Like,
dude, what the fuck?
Literally
This
nothing.
clutch feels really good for some reason. I really like how this feels.
Really?
Yeah. It's all ice.
It's,
What the fuck?
it's literally impossible.
I'll go in the snow so I can at least do something.
I just figured
Skating, dude.
so you can at least blow some donuts.
Handbrake. It ain't do much.
It doesn't. Oh, that was smooth.
It's gonna grip up and
Yeah, I know. I'm just waiting for it.
wall tap.
Tree tap.
Wall tap off the building. Nice transmission. 360 entry. Wall tap this. Wall tap. Oh my god. 360 entry. Not 360 entry. I love that it yelled at you for having your lights on. Oh.
It's coming back down.
Get the heat on. That's not. I don't know what I just did. Oh my god. Violent.
I tried to enter and it just understeered.
Yeah, you probably hit ice before you got to actually flick it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think so.
That was scary.
You know why it's custom? I don't
Okay. I didn't even know we were.
Are we dipping?
Yeah. But But yeah, I'm gonna end it off here because my camera's dead. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.